Here you see, a factory that makes the world's finest French butter. Founded hundreds of years ago, the company is still run by father and son. The specialty here is that the butter production in this factory is still done using the ancient traditional methods. A lot of butter separated from the milk needs to be seasoned well. At the same time, the remaining water is removed. This is the hardest part of the butter production process. This should be done by constantly rolling and slicing the butter and mixing well. After seasoning for a while, they adding salt and season again. In addition to regular butter, the factory also produces butter in a variety of flavors. This butter tastes great when it's a few days old. Butter cutting and slicing is also done by human hands. They have some really cool equipment designed for that. Also, experienced workers are employed in this factory. Eventually, these butters are packaged very nicely and released to the market. These are a bit more expensive because of the quality of these butters.